Ramadan Kareem. I wanted to share with you my favorite recipe of pancakes, according to a pediatric dentist, the healthiest pancake recipe. Now I'll tell you why, because I see a lot of children and they have a lot of decay. Not kidding. And what happens is, because they have decay, I know that they have excess sugar in their diet. So what I would love to offer today is an alternative dessert / sweet that you can do that is somehow a lot healthier than everything that you can buy off a supermarket. To start with, our recipe for today is a gluten-free pancake with maple syrup. To start, 2 eggs. And you know what? I'm actually gonna do it while we're talking. Okay, so 2 eggs and butter, coconut butter, whatever you like to use. And what we can do is put 2 eggs and a little bit of butter, just a little bit of butter. I'm actually a fan of coconut butter as well. But for today, I thought maybe let's just put the normal, what everyone would use. I would also have a little bit of this. It's actually 1/4 teaspoon, or 1/2 teaspoon, sorry. And vanilla flavor. Wait, a little bit. 1/2 as well, or maybe 1/4. I don't know. I'm just gonna write it later. I keep forgetting. Okay. And the best recipe is in the almond flour. Okay, almond flour gives the same taste, but with a lot less calories. For me, I was on almond flour when I was doing the keto diet, so it helped me a lot. I swear by it. And this is 1/2 cup. Okay, and let's whisk it. You know what else we can do? We can, if you're such a big fan of chocolate, put a little bit of chocolate in. So it's like this nice chocolatey flavor. And I just put very little. I don't buy this ready-made chocolate. I just make it into my own chocolate chip. And I buy 80% dark chocolate or 70% dark chocolate. And again, kids, if we make them get used to dark chocolate, they're gonna love dark chocolate. And of course, I would recommend dark chocolate any time of day over milk chocolate, just because of the increased fat content in dark chocolate and less sugar content in dark chocolate. Yay! Winning formula. You know what else we can put? We can put an almond butter, a peanut butter, any butter in that pancake. Wait, I am busy doing this. Oh, can't wait for it. Hope you're fasting too. Okay, let me do it. Quick. And you know, best thing is to keep it 10 minutes so that it ferments and takes time and is ready. And I'm gonna show you how it looks after. It's yummy. I am excited. I'm gonna leave it to ferment. I'm just gonna give it a little bit more. Smells good. You know what else you can do? You can put 2 small teaspoons of maple syrup. So it is starting to look like pancake now. If I said 1/2 cup, it is really 1 cup. And maple syrup, I'm just gonna put I'm just gonna put 1 spoon, but you can put 2, okay? And I actually put chocolate, so I usually do either or, but for today, I'm gonna make an exception for you guys. And voila, let's wait for 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed, meaning let's put it on the pan and let's see the yummy result that happens. I use coconut oil, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of coconut oil. Don't know if you can see me much, but I'm gonna put a little bit more. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm very basic with this, okay? So I'm just gonna put a little bit. you know, and just flatten it like that. You gotta flatten it as much as possible. And while I'm doing that, I wanted to tell you that to read the label and look at how carbs or sugar add up, because it's very common that parents complain that their child does not have any sugar at all, but they have a lot of decay. I know, and you know what? If I saw decay, it means there is a lot of sugar in there. Just telling you the truth. So let me put here a little bit more. And after we're done, we can put a little bit of fruit on top of it. I like it. I like almond flour. It's my best ever, okay? And it has a lot less carbs, so it counts less. And it's gluten-free. I love gluten-free. Last, and then we can get to doing the best pancakes ever. And actually, there's a learning curve. There will always be a learning curve. That we do something and then, you know, it's good, it's not that good, it's great. But you know what? By the smell of it, it's amazing. Kids are just gonna love it. Kids are gonna love it. So what I do is I put it for 2 minutes on one side. Don't flip it too soon. 2 minutes. Keep it nicely browning, and then flip it after nice 2 minutes. And I use a timer. Okay, and then on both sides, and I serve it with fruit and maybe one more maple syrup. See you when it's done. Bye. So, few minutes later, actually 10 minutes later, da-da! Let me know how you like it, and inshallah, your kids are gonna like it too. Ramadan Kareem.